season's greeting to our holiday hosts, Panthers team reporter Christian Balboni and Charlotte FC play-by-play announcer Eric Krakauer.
Ho, 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 ho. Welcome on stage. Welcome on stage. Brent, I'm going to begin with you because this...
On Turkey Day, your boy needs a ham. I'm going to let you know, when I was 12 years old, my family started giving me my own ham. I'd run upstairs by myself. When I came back down, ham gone. I'm for real. One ham by myself upstairs, let the monster eat. Come on.
Adam, do you also eat a ham in your room by yourself?
I do not. I wouldn't eat.
Yeah! Okay, I feel like we could talk about food all day, right? We got this side of the crowd on this side of the crowd on that, but I do want to know, what is your favorite part of Christmas?
I think giving back, knowing the reason for the season. For me, I get to go home, man. I gave out over 2,000 toys to the community. See these kids light up. To be able to give back to our community, see these kids truly see what it looks like. Man, it's a blessing. So for me, every time Christmas comes around, I just think about how much more can I give each season.
I know your foundation does a lot too.
Yeah, no, definitely, obviously, trying to...
Let it snow when we finally kiss it.
Hey, it's a tiger. Now, this was not here last year. We are out. We are watching a horse show. Got Harper, got Ellery. We have eaten. All right now, Harper, don't get beside yourself.
Probably thinking Harper's a little girl.
Little boy.
A little boy.
Y'all, I got to meet the CEO of this venue. Like, when I tell you my husband gives me top tier experiences, he gives me top tier experiences. Like,
once again, congratulations to all of the riders who competed from 11 countries represented in our international competition.
Hold on. This is crazy. How? See? And this is gonna be like Halloween thing.
it's a spider. They programmed it, EJ. Somebody's engineer, computer engineer.
Put all this together.
It's like a spider. I like this kind of spider.
It's walking. Look at it.
I know. Oh, this is crazy. You see that big one up there, the green one there? That spider looks really good. Oh, wow. It's legit walking.
Oh, I was saying, Mom, record this. You see it?
Harper, this makes me want to watch Nightmare Before Christmas.
Because of the music.
Wow.
I know Mr. Beast be doing this with.
Oh, for a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Like little stars.
I don't know who I was.
It's spelling the word, Tryon. It says Tryon. Wow, that's so cool.
No, that's not
Oh, look at that
wow.
pumpkin. Can we get some drones at our 10th wedding anniversary?
Yeah, we gotta
We
figure out how to.
masterpiece.
I don't know how we.
Fireworks.
Yeah, how do we do it though?
Phaedra.
Yeah, put it on Phaedra to find
Yeah,
out.
her to-do list.
He's drunk too.
I don't want him in my video.
Well, have a look.
Oh, spooky cutie! Aww! Oh, he's waving!
And it's blinking.
Yes!
This remind me of Devil Wears Prada. They be like, how much is this costing me? Oh, must have been a lousy shoot.
Some really good jackets.
Yeah.
Frankenstein. Whoa! That looks 3D.
It does.
Wow. Actually, that's not Frankenstein. That's Frankenstein's monster.
I know, but you know.
Dr. Frankenstein.
Yeah.
I read Frankenstein in college.
Oh, but look, his little things are turning
No,
right here.
Frankenstein was written by a woman.
I didn't know that. This is way better than fireworks.
Yeah. What are you doing? Oh. I'm not gonna put the whole thing.
I don't want you to lose too much of your content. Hey! Oh, Harper, look at hoodie's coming on.
Oh, wow.
definitely not saying hello. What's creepy about this is that, like, somebody can program drones to take over the world.
I don't think so. They're for entertainment purposes only. But each of these individual drones cost some money. And the fact that you got all of them. But it's kind of easy for an engineer to program them and be like, okay, here you go, here's the night. This is the program you follow. North Carolina! Woo! Look at that horse. Look at
The drone getting close enough, you see it? The green light. Oh, I see it. Look at her dancing.
Y'all, Harper left with some show me cotton candy, Harper.
Free subs, yeah.
I don't eat cotton candy. That's EJ and Harper. Maybe I'll try a little bit, but I don't do that.
Well, he got different flavors too. So he had.
Cotton candy's not my thing. I don't like it really.
He had a mixture of pink vanilla, which I've never heard of, and
See,
blue
free
raspberry.
family fun.
Yeah, and then he had a sour green apple, which again, you don't get that everywhere. And then Harper got something which I don't remember what it is right now.
He looks so cute.
Sour grape. Again, is another cotton candy that you just don't hear of. So.
No, it's usually like red, pink.
Yeah, that's what you get.
Or
like,
pink, blue, and...
I went up there, he had Eclipse and Barbie and all these names. I'm like, bro, what is this?
Like, he's really doing it up.
Yeah.
Cocktail cotton candy. Family's eating their cotton candy.
Except for mommy.
I got a
I
little.
love it, because you don't like it.
That's good.
Not that sour.
Let me taste yours. What does it say? Mockingjay?
Yeah.
Are you just licking the cotton candy?
Let me get some Harper's too. Pass it up.
Ooh.
It's wet already. I don't want that.
She licked. That's the middle part she licked.
Yeah, pass it up for me, Nikea.
There you go. That's good.
Literally, she threw it on the floor.
Oh, I thought you was going to have your hand
Yeah,
out.
let me get another one. You literally threw it on the floor. It was in my hand, but it's light. And so you took your hand
You didn't
out.
realize it, yeah. That's good.
I like that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's good.
Sour cotton candy?
Yeah, I'll eat that. Harper, you won. Yeah, that's good. Ellery's awake still?
She looked at me.
Once we turn these lights off.
No.
She woke up while we were